Hi, my name is Lee. I'm come from the countryside of Laos. When I first came to study English in Luang Prabang, I knew nothing where to start to learn, but I found many English centers. However, I had to pay them $100 per 3 months, and I didn't have any money, so I walked out to the street and at the night market every night to talk to foreigners to practice my English. After some time, my English got better, and one day I met a couple from Australia who had opened a free English class for underprivileged students in Luang Prabang. So I thought that was a good chance for me to share and practice my English, and I volunteered to work with them, teaching English for those students for 3 years. I have been working as a volunteer for multiple projects and organizations since 2017 until now, because I have a big motivation to work on helping social development in my country. I love helping people. Don't just do for yourself. Help others as you can. Human being is like that. Earlier this year, I have joined French organizations to assist poor students and disabled people in Laos. Recently, I volunteer for German organizations, 5K at virtual challenges, and I work as a runner. I ran 100 kilometers for raising funds to support and changing diabetes patients. I'm currently a founder and leader of Giving a Better Chance, an initiative to teach free English to the underprivileged students who are often poor, disabled, and in social need. If I was chosen for this wonderful YSEALI program, I would be a great team leader, and I would use the knowledge that I learned from US, which is the developed country with excellent quality of education and social services, to work with YSEALI alumni in Laos to develop, improve, resolve the problems in my country as rapidly. Because I believe that working together is the key to success. As a leader, I can represent to be the voice from Lao youth for YSEALI academic fellowships on civic engagement. Furthermore, I will bring the community together for a stronger network with Asian countries and all around the world. I'm strongly confident that my attendance in this program will make a good change to my community, which is my nation. During this COVID pandemic, I wish you all stay safe and healthy. I'm looking forward to see you in the interview round. Thank you very much.